Fastball straight to Fluffy.
Let me in! Let me in!
Let's see those reflexes.
Ah!
A swift monkey move had him out before I blinked.
I'd say lick my boot, but you'd probably enjoy the salt.
Monkey might change.
Ouch.
Bet you wish you had sneakers, Fuzzball.
Check it out. A monkey clutching a bat is a setup for some wild thinker that hurt. Bring it, banana breath. Crackdown time. Whoa.
Wow, that must hurt.
Note to self, never underestimate primates.
You messed with it. Now make it to
Stand tall. Oh wait, you can't.
Rock and roll boys, send it.
Help!
Terminate with extreme
The bat knows no.
prepare to be wasted.
Crackdown time. Law says ouch. Listen up. Should we call animal control or police?
Fastball straight to Fluffy.
They clearly need help.
One more slap. Sirens off. Smack mode on. Look fun. Dangerous, but fun. Taste my baton! Authority delivered at 90 mph.
I am kind of jealous of the one in the